Hello guys, let's discuss this problem here which says an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. Now the information gathered is listed in this table below. You can see here this table tells you about the monthly income that a family earns and vehicles per family. Now they can earn lesser than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13, 13 to 16 and more than 16. So family with lesser than 7,000 income who own 0 vehicles are 10. But with 160 families with this income owns 1 vehicle, 25 family with this income they own 2 vehicles and 0 families are there with this income who owns more than 2 vehicles. Now with this range, with this income level, you can see here there is 0 family who own 0 vehicle and there are 305 families who own 1 vehicle with this income level. There are 27 families who own exactly 2 vehicles with this income range and there are 2 families with this income who own more than 2 vehicles, and this will go for all the other income levels. Now the question regarding this problem is, suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Make sure they are asking for that they are owning exactly 2 vehicles. Let's go back to the data and see the column for this income. You can see here the income is 10,000 to 13,000 and families with exactly 2 vehicles are 29 with this income level. So here the number of ways the event can occur is 29 and total number of families are 2400. So probability will be 29 upon 2400. Now let's see for other parts. For the first part, you already seen that there are 29 families with this income with exactly 2 vehicles and total number of families is 2400. So this ratio will give you probability. In the second case, families earning more than 16,000 and they owns exactly 1 vehicle. So let's go back to the data and see the table with exactly 1 vehicle and this income level. There are only 579 families. So this will become your number of ways that even can occur and this total number of outcomes, which is the total number of families, which is equal to 2400. So this ratio will become the probability. Now in the third part, families who are earning lesser than 7,000 income and they doesn't own any vehicle. So there are 10 number of families who don't own any vehicle and total number of families are 2400. So this ratio of 10 by 2400 will give you probability. In the fourth case, they have asked that the families, those are earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and they own more than 2 vehicles. More than 2 vehicles, what you'll go? You'll search the column for above 2 vehicles and you'll search for this row where the income level is 13 to 16 and then you will match that row and column so that to find out number of families with this income and with this vehicle, which is 25, and total number of families are 2400. So this ratio will give you 1 by 96 and this will become your probability for fourth part. Now in the last part, families, those who own not more than 1. Not more than 1 means families who own 0 vehicle or 1 vehicle but should not own more than 1 vehicle. So in this case you are considering all those families with the column of 0 vehicle and with the column of 1 vehicle. You will add all those families to get sum of 2062. So this will become your numerator or the number of ways this event can happen, because you need to consider all the income levels for 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle. So now the probability will be 2062 divided by 2400 and this will become your probability, which is 1031 divided by 1200. I hope you understood this example quite well. I will be taking more examples like this in the next video lecture as well. Thank you.